Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting into photo mode right away. Open the pause menu and select photo mode or press the hotkey you set. Once inside, disable HUD elements so nothing blocks your view. This helps you judge composition accurately. Make sure to set time of day and weather now, because lighting defines mood. Dawn or storm changes shadows dramatically. While you position the camera, keep an eye on character pose options so you can lock expression and stance before moving on. Now refine composition. Switch to free camera and move slowly to find dynamic angles. Avoid extreme tilt that creates unwanted distortion. Once framed, adjust focal length and aperture to control depth of field so your subject pops against background. A tighter aperture sharpens more of the scene. Then tweak exposure and color grading to match the mood, and apply filters or a gentle vignette sparingly. These accentuate rather than overpower your image. Make small changes, review, and iterate until balance feels right. Finish by locking the moment. Freeze time or use pose controls so the character and NPCs stay consistent while you fine-tune. Before exiting, export at the highest resolution available and save alternate versions with slight variations. This gives editing options later. If you encounter visual glitches or artifacts, try toggling HDR or relaunching photo mode. Many issues clear with a quick restart. Finally, make sure to back up your best shots externally so nothing is lost when you update the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.